What a busy day, and it looks like I got a little bit of sun. I've been digging in the dirt. My favorite thing to do. I have also been working my 9 to 5er, but I've been planting a lot of good stuff. Some teasel, some sheep sorrel, red clover, California poppy, bitter melon. What else do we have here? Lemon balm added to what is already coming up, because I've already planted that before, but we have a ton of things that are growing, that are going to be growing. Guys, even if you have some coffee cans, throw some seeds in there. Let them start. Make your own tinctures, and that's my goal. Is I'm going to want to be able to grow everything that I'm putting in the tinctures that are on Time to Heal. By the way, if you're not following, please do subscribe. TimeToHeal.net. I'm going to have wonderful products, high quality. Um, Getting ready to do an adrenal support. We also have a lymphatic support, a liver support, heart health tincture, mineral health. I'm going to be doing a menopausal hormone support, female fertility support, male fertility and hormone support. Something for everyone. We have glycerites out there for children. Um, please subscribe. I think you're going to be pleased. Stay healthy, friends.